So we have executed our first program. See, our first program we have created using, see, let's just look at this one. See, this is our first application of React. So we have app.js. We have executed this one successfully. Okay. Now we have we have two different ways to create a React application. What are those? First one, using arrow function as component. Okay. First one is arrow function as component. Second one is class as component. Okay. I'll be creating the application to using class as component. Just look at this. npx create React app space app02. What this command will do? It has created our app number 2, and it will install all the necessary files into our that particular app2 folder. Okay. Right. Happy hacking. So the app2 is installed now. Okay. So let's go with the application 2. Let's open the app2. Go to src and go to app.js. So this is our app number 2. cd space app number 02 npm space start. What this command do? What this command does? It will open that application. It will open a deployment local server, and it will run the React application. successful. So this is app2. App2 is running. Okay. It took me around 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes to start a React application. Okay. On the local server. And the local server will be some local host column 3000. 3000 is the port. Okay, that is the channel on which our React application will run. So now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, I'm completely removing the app.js content permanent completely. And see this. What is the first statement? Import React from React. Now what I'm going to do is, I'll be also importing component. Okay, in the component C is capital, and in the React R is capital. Okay, class app extends component. Okay, in this, what I'm going to do, in this class, I will have some render function. Okay, I'll have render method. In this render method, what I can do, I can return some value. In this return, what I'm going to do, I'll add some division here. This is H1. This is lokesh. Now, this is React app with the class as a component. Now, what I can do, I have to export this one. Export default app. That's it. Simply, I'm saving it. It's compiled successfully. Look at this one. This is a React app with the class as component. Okay. So we have two methods. We have two methods to see this one. So this is one method to create a React component. React is all about components, right? We'll write a header as component, footer as component, button as component, text boxes as component. Okay. So we'll write the components and we will merge all the different components in our app.js file. So this one, let me open this side by side so that you will understand a little bit clearly. Okay. Fine. This one. This is, guys, this is arrow function. Okay, this is the function as component, and this is class as component.
Class as component.
Yes, these are the two different type of these are the two different methods to create a React application. Okay, so I have successfully shown you the execution of these two type of components. Okay, we shall explore these components now. Okay, we shall explore these components. You can choose any of the way, no problem. So you can work either using the arrow function or just by using the class. Okay, right. So let's explore the React now. We have different type of concepts in the React. How to use the variables, how to use the CSS, and how to create the hooks and properties, props, everything. If you like my explanation, just try to like, share, and subscribe my channel. This is a free React tutorial. Right. Thank you.